In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Word in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to edit a document that was sent to you as a PDF or just prefer to work in Word, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Now, let's get started. First, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you might notice several options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to either create a new project or, more likely, open an existing document. Since many of us are frequently revisiting documents, a great place to start is by heading over to your recent work. So, make your way to the selection where recent documents are displayed and choose the PDF you'd like to convert. Once you've found and selected the document, we'll move on to the next step. This is where Adobe Acrobat really shines in terms of functionality. You'll want to look for an option labeled Convert. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find, often located in the toolbar or under a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will open a range of options, but your focus should be on selecting Microsoft Word. This is the key step where we're setting up our PDF for conversion into a Word document. After selecting Microsoft Word, you'll see further options for the type of Word document you can convert to. In our case, it's best to go with the most common format, which is the DOSX file type. This format is universally recognized and maintains a good balance of functionality and compatibility, ensuring that as many people as possible will find it easy to open and edit their new document. Finally, click on Convert to DOSX. Adobe Acrobat will handle the rest of the process for you, taking your PDF and essentially unraveling the content into a Word format. Within a few moments, depending on the size of your document, your PDF will be transformed into an editable Word file. You can now save it to your computer or cloud storage, ready for any edits or revisions you plan to make. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully converted a PDF document into a Word file using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, this method is incredibly useful for anyone needing to edit text or reformatting documents sent in PDF form. I hope you found this tutorial both clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!